Let's get down to business, shall we? I'd like to show you a little bit of what happened when I was at Cal's College. It was quite enjoyable, to say the least. I hope you enjoy.
Just so you guys know, this is going on YouTube.
Well, that's all I wanted to say for today. So, I'll bid you good evening. See you again soon. Bye.